Okay, so today isn't going to be a very long one. It's just going to be, I'm just going to run through some bits and pieces that have arrived over the past week or so, which I've got all in a pile here. So first of all, I'm going to start with these covers that have arrived. These are from Stylish & Co, and I absolutely love them. I am Disney obsessed, so I got this one. These covers snap into the Erin Condren Life Planner, so I got an If the Shoe Fits with the Disney shoes, and the back is just some stripes. I got a Snow White one which says you are the fairest of them all. It's got her outfit there and then the apple on the back, and it's not foil, just in case anyone thinks there's any foil. It's just all sort of pretty glitter. And then this one is just the Disney castle, and it's got my name on it at the bottom there, and it says, in my fairy tale the princess slays her own dragon. And then there's the back there. I just love the purple and pink colours in that one. Oh sorry, these are my old covers. And then the one that I'm actually putting on my planner is this one, and I thought it was appropriate because in this planner will be our wedding week, so I thought So This Is Love is a nice one to have, and the back of that is the shoe. So that is everything that I got from Stylish & Co. Then next I'll work through, sorry if that's annoying, I don't know how to get it out of frame. Let's see, I'll just put it over here. Okay, so then some kits. So this one arrived from my newest addiction, and I got a couple of things. So it comes with the date dots there, which are in rose gold foil, and then the kit has the most beautiful rose gold foil. I don't know if you can see. So I think I've said before, any kit with shoes I simply cannot resist. We've got, oh sorry, this way. And then the boxes. There's no foil on this sheet, but I love these down here. I think they're so cute. So that was just a small kit there from my newest addiction. Apologies if I sound a bit different to normal. I don't feel particularly well today, but I did want to get this filmed, so apologies if that's really annoying. Then I got some kits. Oh, actually, before I move on, I also got from my newest addiction these little sleep-in stickers. I got the rose gold and the silver in those. They're super cute. So then Panda bird designs is what I'm going to move on to next, but before I close this, I'll just show you I got these. I have to take all of these out. So I got these little page dividers in rose gold, gold and silver. And then I got these little scallop boxes. I'm pretty sure I had another sheet. I don't know what I've done with them. Let's have a look. Probably in here, yeah. So I got these ones as well in the rose gold. So that is those ones. So then in terms of the actual kits that I got a few. So this is the first kit that I got, and this is just the most beautiful rose gold. It's like a pink. Apologies again if you hear anything in the background. My partner's on a video game at the moment with his friends. These are just gorgeous. I'm so in love with these. And then get this the right way. That's the washi. It's just absolutely stunning. All the little hearts and the edges of the roses are all foil. So then I got this kit as well, which is silver foil. And again, with these, they are just absolutely gorgeous. They've got the little silver bow on there. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the washi page. Oh, that's the wrong way up. That wasn't very clever of me. There we go. And then the last one that I got is this one. And this one has gold foil, so I've inadvertently got one of each foil. And again with the scallop boxes. Absolutely stunning. So that's those 3 kits from Panda Bird Designs. Yep, he is shouting like a maniac on the other side of the wall. So then I got some kits from Harriet Wright Designs. I'll show you the other one that I got in a minute, but the first one I got is called Be Kind. And this one is in a gold foil. All of these checkbox or whatever they are pages end up going to my sister because I don't use them. Sorry, I thought he was coming in there, that's why I froze. Oh, I just love her kits. They're absolutely gorgeous. No foil on that one. And then this page, I just love all of the little icons and all of these as well. Just absolutely beautiful. I hope you can see all the foil detail in there. Keep putting them in the wrong way. Okay, and then the next one I got is called Girl Boss, I think. Yeah. This one's gold foil as well. I honestly think her half boxes and quarter boxes are the best that I've come across. I think they're gorgeous. They're all foiled so beautifully. And then the washi on this one, absolutely stunning. As always. As always. I honestly haven't received a kit. Well, I wouldn't order it if I didn't like it, but I haven't received a kit that I've been disappointed with from Harriet Wright Designs, not once. And there's always enough boxes and quarter boxes and all sorts of things to use. So then this one is silver foil. Sorry, this one's called Ocean Breeze. Again, it's just all the little differences of the foil on the boxes, you know, they're not all the same. Just absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And then the washi page. So that is, no, that's not everything I got from Harriet Wright Designs. Before I so quickly move on, I also got another kit, which I've already put in here to save for when we fly off on our honeymoon, assuming it still goes ahead. But no one knows at this point when they're going to be allowed to go on holiday again, but we're supposed to be going on our honeymoon at the end of February in 2021, but we just have to hope that that is still the case and we're allowed to fly by then, because no one knows. But this actual kit's called Adventure, and it's got I think this is gold foil. It's got the heart there, which I absolutely love. And all of these, oh yeah, are gorgeous. and all of the big flags as well. I mean, and the weekend banners are always lovely as well. I can't fault anything, nothing at all. I think this is a slightly different format to the others. I don't know if this is the new format or old format, but I don't really care because they are all lovely. I'm going to keep that one in here because I know that I want to use it for this week. Oops. Okay, so then I got some kits from Graceful Muse Papery. So I got this one, which is called Southern Belle, and this is in a gold foil. The paper didn't feel how I expected. I think I saw someone else use them in a YouTube video and it looked really nice, and it is really pretty, but the paper doesn't quite feel the same as some of the others. And then this kit is called Oh Hello Spring, and this is a rose gold foil. It's like a pink more than a rose gold. It's gorgeous. I don't know that the foil's coming up on that one for some reason. So that's those two. And then what was really exciting today is that this arrived. I needed to have a different system to store my washi because I was previously storing it in a just in a tub, and there wasn't any system. It wasn't easily accessible. So I've got all of the samples that I've bought on the top, and then my new ones that came today as well. So I got these three from Harriet Wright Designs, and they are all gold foil. So this is half white and half gold, and then this is pink with gold bow, and then I think this is sort of like a floral pattern with gold lines. So that is that set. And then I got these from Simply Gilded. So this is a hollow, I think she called it crushed ice effect with a really light pink background. And this one I'm going to use, let me pull out my planner. Oops, pull out my planner again, because this one I'm planning on using for my wedding week. So this is my wedding week, and this is the kit that I got for that, which is just from Right Brain Paper Co. But I thought, oh, am I missing a sheet? Oh no, it's got stuck. I panicked then. So I was thinking, rather than using these, because there's no foil in the kit, I thought I would use, I mean, depending on the thickness, I haven't looked at how thick this is going to be, but I thought this would work really nicely as a replacement for the washi that's already on there, because I'm going to do a silver and hollow spread with it, because I thought that would be the best. So these are the overlays that I'm going to use. These are silver. Is what I'm going to use on these with that washi. So that's the plan there. I'm reluctant, so I like to put my sticker spreads down well in advance of the week that I'm actually planning, but I'm scared to do it for that week in case anything goes wrong and we can't get married that week, so I'm not putting it down yet. And then I also got from Simply Gilded this gorgeous pink with like a pearl, it's like a pearl effect. I have no idea if you can see that on the bows. So those are the new washies I got. Oh, and I got this one, couldn't resist. So they are all rose gold with mint green, light blue and light pink. So that all arrived yesterday and today. And this box I just love. the box arrived today and I love it. This I ordered on the 19th of April and has only just arrived, which is crazy to me. But I absolutely love it. So that's all. Oh, I'm getting the wrong way around. Whoops. So I think that's all the stuff that I ordered from since the last haul. I mean, I did get, I don't know if I've been through here, I did get some bits and pieces from the Coffee Monsters Co, but I've already put them in my little sticker book. So I got those ones, I got these cute little soda can ones up here, and I got we don't actually have a I can't even remember the name of the restaurant that the stickers were, but I thought when we get tacos and we go to Oaxaca and things, I thought they'd be appropriate. So yeah, that's, I think, everything new that I have got in the last week or so. So I will see what else arrives. I've still got some stuff to arrive from Nikki +3, some more stuff from Harriet Wright Designs, something coming from Crafts by Towie, Samantha May sticks. There's still a good few orders to come, so when they come in, I'll do another one. Hopefully I'll be feeling better by then. But yeah, I'll just continue to make these as and when there's enough stickers to show. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.